In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check backlinks on Semrush. First, go ahead and log into your Semrush account using your usual details. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see several icons there. Hover your mouse over the icon that looks like a magnifying glass. This will expand a list of options related to research and analysis. From that list, find the section called Link Building, and then click on Backlinks. This is the main tool we'll be using to explore your backlink profile. After the Backlinks tool opens, you'll see a field where you can enter a domain or a specific URL. Decide whether you want to analyze an entire website or just a single page, then type or paste it into that field. When you're ready, click the Analyze button. Semrush will now start pulling data for that domain or URL. This can take a little while, especially for larger sites, so give it a moment to load fully. Once the report has generated, you'll land on the Overview tab. Here, you'll see a snapshot of your backlink profile. This includes the number of referring domains, the total number of backlinks, monthly visitors, organic traffic estimates, outbound domains, and an overall toxicity score, among other metrics. Take a second to scan this page. It gives you a high-level understanding of how strong and how healthy your backlink profile is. To dive deeper into the individual backlinks, click on the Backlinks tab at the top of the report. Again, wait for the data to load. When it's ready, you'll see a detailed list of all the backlinks pointing to your domain or URL. At the top of this page, you can refine what you're seeing. You can view all backlinks, or focus on categories like best, top new, lost, or vital links. If you're looking for something specific, you can use the search field to filter by page title or URL. You can also adjust the status filters to show all links, active links, new links, or lost links. There are additional filters for link types, such as all, follow, no follow, sponsored, and UGC, so you can understand exactly what kind of links are pointing to your site. For each backlink in the list, you'll see the source page title and URL, the number of external and internal links on that page, the anchor text and target URL, as well as when the link was first seen and last seen. Use this information to evaluate link quality, track changes over time, and identify opportunities or issues. And that's it. That's how you check and review your backlinks using Semrush.